Did you know there's a plant that can eat rats or that trees actually talk to each other? Welcome to Brainy Bits, where today we uncover mind-blowing facts about nature that are guaranteed to leave you in awe. From mysterious growing forests to animals with real like superpowers, these natural wonders are stranger than fiction. Stick around till the end because number 7 will change the way you see your own backyard. The first one, the forests that glow at night. In some parts of the world, forests actually glow in the dark. This phenomenon, called bioluminescence, is caused by fungi like Armillera that emit an eerie green light, creating an otherworldly scene right here on Earth. You can witness this in places like Japan and Brazil, where entire forest floors come alive after sunset. The second one, trees can talk to each other. Yes, trees actually communicate using underground networks of fungi known as the wood wide web. Through these fungal connections, trees share nutrients, warn each other of pests, and even support younger or weaker trees. It's a vast, intelligent communication system hidden beneath our feet. The third one, elephants that understand human gestures. Elephants are not only massive, they are incredibly intelligent. Studies show that while elephants can understand human pointing, something even our closest primate relatives struggle with. They can also mourn their dead and recognize themselves in mirrors, showing a depth of emotional intelligence rarely seen in animals. The fourth one, the bat that pollinates tequila. Did you know your margarita exists thanks to a bat? The lesser long-nosed bat is the primary pollinator of the agar plant, which is used to make tequila. Without this tiny night flyer, tequila production would be in serious trouble. So next time you enjoy a drink, raise your glass to the bats. The fifth one, frogs that freeze themselves to survive. Meet the wood frog, a creature that can freeze solid in winter, stop its heart, and come back to life in spring. Their blood contains glucose that prevents ice damage, making them one of nature's true hibernation masters. Scientists are even studying them for potential medical breakthroughs. The sixth one, a volcano that has been erupting for over 100 years. Mount Yasur, located on the island of Tana in Vanuatu, is known as the world's most active volcano, continuously erupting for over a century. Locals even call it the lighthouse of the Pacific. Its glowing red lava and nightly eruptions make it one of the most accessible active volcanoes on Earth. The seventh one, a plant that eats mice and rats. You have heard of the Venus flytrap, but have you heard of Nepenthes attenborough? This feature plant is so large and powerful, it's capable of trapping and digesting small rodents. It uses sweet smelling nectar to lure prey, then traps them in its deep, slippery chamber filled with digestive fluid. The eighth one, octopuses that can disappear instantly. Octopuses are escape artists of the ocean. But did you know they can instantly change both color and texture to match their surroundings? Some can even mimic other marine creatures like lionfish or flatfish to scare predators away. They have 9 brains and 3 hearts, truly alien like beings right here on Earth. The ninth one, Earth is still growing. Here's a shocker. Earth's inner core is slowly growing, but only on one side. Recent studies reveal that this uneven growth may be affecting the planet's magnetic field. It's a reminder that Earth isn't static, it's constantly shifting, evolving, and even expanding in ways we barely understand. Nature is more than beautiful, it's mysterious, bizarre, and endlessly surprising. Which fact shocked you the most? The glowing forest, the rat eating plant, or the heart stopping frog? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind expanding fact every week on Brainy Bits.